Dissolved oxygen preparation. Screw off the connector protection cap. Insert the connector. Make sure to align the notches when connecting. Tighten the metal ring. Never twist the black rubber part to avoid damage. Short press on to power on the meter. Short press enter to turn on or turn off backlight. Loosen the dissolved oxygen calibration sleeve first, then pull it off. Screw off the sleeve lid at the bottom. Check if the sponge inside is saturated. If it's dried out, add in several drops of distilled water to the sponge to maintain the saturated air inside the calibration sleeve. Do not add too much water, so it won't be dripping. Screw on the lid. Dissolved oxygen calibration. Insert the electrode to the sleeve and tighten it. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to let the reading get stabilized. Short press Cal to enter calibration mode, Cal blinking. When the reading is fully stabilized and smiley face stays on screen, short press Cal again to finish the calibration. 100% will be blinking, indicating the saturated oxygen calibration is finished. Measuring dissolved oxygen in static water. Insert the dissolved oxygen electrode into water. The water surface level should be higher than the temperature electrode. The angle for the electrode and water surface should be 45 degrees to 75 degrees. Keep swirling the electrode in water slowly for 1 to 5 minutes. Maintain at a certain speed. When the reading is fully stabilized, short press M+ to save the data. Do not stop the swirling while recording the measurement. Wrong operation. Polarographic dissolved oxygen electrode cannot be tested statically in static water. Otherwise, the electrode will keep consuming oxygen and cause reading error. Measuring dissolved oxygen in flowing water. Insert the dissolved oxygen electrode into water. The water surface level should be higher than the temperature electrode. The angle for the electrode and water surface should be 45 degrees to 75 degrees. Hold the electrode in the flowing water and wait for a stable reading. Then take the measurement data. If the reading can't be stabilized, start swirling the electrode very slowly to help you get a stable reading. Typically takes 1 to 5 minutes. Notes about dissolved oxygen measurement. How to deal with the bubbles on the membrane surface. When measuring, there should not be any air bubbles on the membrane surface. Otherwise, the response and accuracy will be affected. To remove the bubbles, just swirl the electrode in water. Temperature's impact on dissolved oxygen. Check if the membrane is damaged. If the membrane is damaged, a new membrane cap must be replaced. How to replace membrane cap? Screw off the membrane cap. Rinse off the electrode without cap in distilled water. Clean the electrode with a clean tissue. Take out a new membrane cap. Slowly add a new inner solution. If there are bubbles in the solution, make a few flicks on the cap to remove. Place the membrane cap on the table and put in the electrode vertically. Slowly twist in and then screw on tightly. Now the excess inner solution will be squeezed out. Wipe it off with tissue and rinse the electrode in distilled water. Check if the membrane is damaged. If so, you need to replace new inner solution to remove the bubbles. How to add inner solution: dissolved oxygen 502. Screw off the membrane cap. Slowly add a new inner solution. Make a few flicks on the cap if there are air bubbles. Place the membrane cap on the table and put in the electrode vertically. Slowly twist in and then screw on tightly. Clean contaminated gold cathode. If the gold cathode inside the electrode is contaminated or oxidized, the response and accuracy will be affected. Take out the polishing paper. Polish the gold cathode on the paper gently. Then use clean tissue to clean off the gold surface. Rinse off the electrode and shake off excess water. Add a new inner solution in the cap. Adjust barometric pressure. Short press mode 3 times to enter P3. Press M+ to change barometric pressure. Short press Enter to confirm the change and return to measurement mode. Salinity calibration. Short press mode 2 times to enter P2. Rinse off the electrode in distilled water and remove excess water. Insert the electrode into the 12.88 ms standard solution. The liquid level should be above the salinity electrode. When the reading is stable, short press Cal 12.9 will be blinking. Then a stable salinity value will show up, indicating salinity calibration is finished. Short press Enter to return to measurement mode.